The Muffin Man, the
We got
Muffin
three
Man, the Muffin Man.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at this fucking greedy ass kid.
What?
It's like his mom probably bought like a dozen, maybe half
Dildos.
dozen. No, I mean maybe, but I mean after a few, doesn't it start to get redundant? How many fake dicks can you have?
Well, they're all different sizes and lengths and different stuff.
I guess I don't understand women. It's like, does it some nights you're just like, I'm good with an 8-inch, and some nights it's like, oh no, I need the foot long, literally half a foot width. I need the fucking parking cone. Like, this has just been such a night at work.
You don't even know.
Like, what? I guess I don't understand. This is important. Fuck this kid. I guess I don't understand.
You have no idea what you're talking about, do you?
Shit. I don't understand why you would downgrade. I mean, don't you think that when you, like, hit... when you hit, like, the foot-long super massa dick, like, this is fucking Excalibur of dildos, you will never need another dildo. So why would you need to buy another dildo? Why wouldn't you just go for the best all the time? Like, number 1, it's like, I need to switch number 3 today. I'm in more of an orange mood. As a woman, please enlighten me why you would need multiple dicks.
Because you are...
Let's get this kid doing something while
Yeah,
you're
these
answering.
poor people, if there's anybody left.
Oh, his mom said it's raining. You need to bring yourself an umbrella.
Ella.
Look at that fucking kid, he didn't bring the umbrella.
Little bastard man.
What a dickhead. Anyways, back to dildo. Whoa.
Because it's like cheating on your spouse without cheating on your spouse. You know, you
just need variety? It's not about the size of the dick. It's how many dicks there are. That's what I'm hearing. So there's like, it's just you need like...
It's like, oh, I have this boyfriend, and this boyfriend. But it's not really that way because they're toys, you know? So you're not really cheating on your spouse, but you get
having variety. So even though you got the fucking Megazord of dicks,
Mega stressing.